Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite desserts, angel food cake. Because dream angel food cake, won't you please be mine? And you will. Apron. First things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. If you have an angel food cake pan like this, go ahead and use it. Don't grease it. At least that's what the directions say. This will be the first time I'm using it, so we'll give it a try. The whole idea is that the batter fits in here and then you flip it upside down and it holds it just like this, upside down, while it cools completely for an hour and a half. So that's why there is such a thing as an angel food cake pan. But if you don't have one of these, you can make it in a 10-inch round and it will also be equally delicious. 1 cup unbleached cake flour or all-purpose flour. This is 1.5 cups of sugar, which we will need, but right now we only need half of it, so put half of it in here with the flour. Whisk together 12 large egg whites. Wait, hold up. I know what you're thinking. 12 egg whites? 12? That's a whole dozen eggs. What am I going to do with those 12 egg yolks? Well, I have a few ideas for you. You can make pastry cream. You could make flan. You could make creme caramel. All of which are super delicious, and use up those egg yolks. Or if you have a hungry teenager in your house who likes to bulk up on the protein, make an egg yolk omelet. Done. Half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Beat until just frothy. Sprinkle 1.5 teaspoons of cream of tartar on top. Beat until stiff, glossy peaks form. Add the remaining sugar, 1/4 cup at a time, and then fold in the dry ingredients. So a little bit of the sugar in, let it mix. Another 1/4 cup. And the balance. Stiff peaks. If you've liked what you've seen so far, don't forget to click the like button, that thumbs up, and subscribe. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. Fold in the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. Batter into the pan. So now I'm going to disperse it among the pan so it's more even here. I'll clean it up a little bit, and into the oven it goes. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown on top and it springs back. "45 minutes has gone by. Let's check it. Ooh, smells delicious. It's golden brown. Now let's do the spring test. Does it spring back? Why, yes, it does. Let's take it out. This is the part that always throws me. You have to turn this upside down. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Now we just sit back, relax, and wait an hour and a half for it to completely cool before we will take it out. All right, it's been an hour and a half. It has cooled down. It is time. And turn it back over. Loosen it with a knife. Moment of truth. I feel it drop. I heard it. Ready? Oh, wow. Look at that. This is not the prettiest of angel food cakes you have seen, but I am convinced it's still going to taste utterly delicious. Oh boy. Look at that. That is utterly delicious. A perfect piece of angel food cake if I ever did see one. The outside, you can see it got golden brown. Some of it may have stayed in the pan, but that is a-okay. It's very bouncy, so you can see, which is just how it should be. The middle is very light and fluffy. Let's take a bite. It is so good. It is light and fluffy and sugary. And it has a lot of protein in it because of those egg whites. Delicious. My very favorite dessert. Okay, one of them. If I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. All right, what should we make today on Jen's Daily Dish? Oh, you're going to show me? Okay, thank you. Technical difficulties, please stand by.